Welcome to Module 7 of this course. As we delve further into the world of artificial intelligence, it becomes crucial to integrate ethical principles into everyday AI applications. This module explores how ethical AI can be developed and fostered in workplace settings. This is a continuation of our journey through understanding and implementing responsible AI, building upon what we've learned about the principles and challenges associated with AI technologies. It is important to integrate ethics into AI teams, hence there is a need for an ethics officer. The role of ethics officers in AI initiatives is to ensure that AI developments adhere to ethical guidelines. Many companies are appointing ethics officers. These officers are responsible for overseeing AI projects, assessing ethical implications, and ensuring compliance with both internal and external standards. Responsibilities of ethics officers include developing and updating ethical guidelines for AI development, training team members on ethical AI practices, reviewing AI projects for potential ethical issues. Incorporating an ethics officer can lead to improved reputation, greater customer trust, and potentially lower legal risks. Creating ethical guidelines for AI development is essential. These guidelines should cover fairness, accountability, privacy, and transparency. Steps to create guidelines include identifying core values, which means determining what values are most important to your organization in the context of AI. Next is consulting stakeholders, by engaging with developers, users, and potentially impacted parties. Then, drafting the guidelines to create clear, actionable guidelines that can be applied consistently. Finally, review and approval, as guidelines should be revised periodically to adapt to new challenges or insights. Application of AI ethics across departments like human resources, customer service, training and education, and many more. Let's learn a few of these. Human resources AI can transform how human resources manage employee data, talent acquisition, and more. It's crucial that AI tools in HR comply with ethical standards to protect employee privacy and ensure fairness in recruitment processes. For example, AI in recruitment AI systems can screen resumes efficiently, but may inadvertently perpetuate bias. Implementing regular reviews and bias audits in these systems is necessary to ensure they remain fair and equitable. In customer service, AI chatbots and automated service tools are becoming standard in customer service. These systems should be designed to respect user privacy and provide transparency about how data is used and stored. A chatbot should always inform the user when they are interacting with AI and not a human. Additionally, user data collected during these interactions should be handled in strict compliance with data protection laws. It is important to training and continued education to AI users and development team about ethics in AI. Our attempt to create these free tutorials is an humble attempt to create awareness among the people and educate them about responsible AI. So do not hesitate to share this video and playlist with your community. Let's together build a safe AI society. Ongoing training programs. Continuous learning opportunities in ethical AI should be provided for all employees involved in AI projects, regardless of their department. Best practices in implementing training programs, workshops and seminars, regular events focused on new developments in AI ethics, online courses. Provide access to courses like this one to keep skills and knowledge up to date. Expert consultations. Regular sessions with AI ethics experts to discuss specific issues or developments. Adhering to global standards. Interacting with international standards bodies and adhering to globally recognized ethics guidelines can help maintain high standards in AI ethics. For example, involvement in AI Ethics Consortium. By participating in groups like the AI Ethics Consortium, companies can stay updated with global standards and contribute to developing these standards, further promoting ethical AI practices. This module has reinforced the importance of ethically developed AI in the workplace, highlighting the roles, strategies, and real-world applications necessary to uphold ethical standards. By understanding and implementing the concepts discussed, companies can ensure their AI systems are not only innovative, but also aligned with broader ethical practices crucial for long-term success and trust. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.